Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson.
Great, I am ready to write.
Today, we review numbers from 20 to 100 and the grammar, how much and how many, through active writing. First, we do listen and write, and you write a short dictation. Second, we do make a sentence, and you build your own simple sentences.
So I practice writing, not speaking.
Yes, keep your pencil ready, and let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation, so I read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write the words.
Listen to the whole text first to get a first contact with the meaning. Write what you hear during the dictation, word by word or phrase by phrase. Check and correct by comparing your writing with the original text. Do not worry about every word at first. Now, listen to the dictation. At the market, I buy 20 apples for my class. My teacher asks, "How many apples do you have?" I say, "I have 20. Then she asks, "How much water do we need?" We need 30 bottles of water for the picnic. Now I will read slowly, little by little. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great, let us start the dictation. At the market. I buy 20 apples. For my class. My teacher asks. How many apples do you have? I say. I have 20. Then she asks. How much water do we need? We need 30 bottles. Of water for the picnic. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how was the dictation for you?
It was good, and some words were new for me.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. In this activity, you build 6 sentences, one for each main word.
Can I use helper words?
Yes, you can use 20 helper words and try how much or how many when it makes sense. See an example as we listen to Nexo do the exercise first. Make your sentences with the main words and the helper words. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to make sentences. 20. How many pencils are in the box? There are 20 pencils. 21. I have 21 books at home. 25. How many students are in the classroom? There are 25 students. 30. We need 30 apples for the party. 40. How much water is in the bottle? 50. My school has 50 chairs in this room.
Nice work, Nexo. Now it is your turn, so pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Write 1 sentence for each main word. Good job. Good job. You wrote your own English sentences today. Great work. See you in the next writing lesson.